If you want to enable LED flashlight for notifications on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro or the 17 Pro Max, so here's how you can do that. Now to do that, just open Settings, then tap on Accessibility. From here, just tap on Audio and Visual. Now at the bottom of the page, you will find the option of LED flash for alerts. Just tap on it. Now just enable LED flash for alerts. Also, if you want to enable LED flashlight when your iPhone is unlocked, just enable flash while unlocked. And if you also want to enable LED flashlight when your iPhone is on silent mode, just enable this toggle. And after you enable both of these toggles, you will enable LED flashlight for notifications. Just like that. And this is how you can enable LED flashlight for notifications on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro, and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.